Hello dear students, welcome to class 5th. Myself Miss Nehali Topiwala going to teach you EVS. So let's start with a new session of EVS with first chapter Super Senses. Here is a first chapter Super Senses. So my dear students, what do you mean by senses? Senses means the ability which we have to see, hear, smell, taste and feel. Each and every living being have this ability to see, feel, hear, taste and smell. We all know that we have 5 sense organs by which we can identify the different things happening around us. So let us move ahead with the chapter 1 super senses, which is based on the sense organs of animals. Tell me dear students, does it happen with you sometime that when you are sitting in a garden and eating something and suddenly a bird come and snatch it away from your hand and fly off? Or sometimes when you are walking by a sleeping dog and it suddenly shoot up his ear means कान खड़े करके देखना what is happening around him. Or sometimes if something sweet falls on the ground and in within a minute many ants get collected around it. Does it happen with you anytime? So what do you think, why does it happen? So my dear students, it is just a simple question that it happens because animals also have different senses. They can see, hear, taste, smell and feel. some animals can some animals can see their prey from far away. Prey means the killed animals or bird by the other or eaten up animals or other animals. Some can hear even the finest faintness sound. Faintness sound means not strong or not weak. अनकॉन्शियसनेस मतलब बेहोशी की हालत में होना. Some animals can find their friends by their smell. Some animals are those who find their friends by their smell only. They are having all these senses in them: seeing senses, hearing senses, smelling senses, feeling senses. So, this chapter is based on the senses power of the animals or birds. We are going to learn about the chapter all about the senses in animals or bird in this chapter. So let's move ahead students. How did the ant recognize a friend? An ant was going along on the ground. It saw a group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly came back to its hole. The ant guarding the hole recognized it and let it in. So, here we are going to see the senses about the ant, how they feel and how they recognize their friend. So the ants move in a group only students. So it saw a group of ant coming from the other side. One ant was going alone only and it saw the group of ant coming. So the first ant quickly came to its hole and the guard who was guarding the hole over there, it recognized it and let it in. So what do you think, how does it had recognized her or it? So think and tell me, how did the ant know that the other ants were not from its group? Or how did the guard ant recognize that ant? How did that ant know that the ant was not from their group children? Or the guard which was guarding that ant hole, how did he recognize that this ant belongs to that group only? So let us see and try and find out from these simple questions. Drop some sugar, jaggery or anything sweet on the ground. Wait until the ant comes there. What you have to do is you have to drop some sweet things on the floor and check whether the ant comes there and wait for the ants to come. How long did it take for the ant to come? Within how many time did that ant came over there? Did one ant came first or a group of ant came together? One ant came or whole group came together. You have to find that. What did the ant do with the food? What did they did with that food then? Where did they go from there? कहाँ गए वो लोग? Do they move in a line? Does they are moving in a line or not? So to find out this, we will move ahead. Now, carefully, without harming the ants, block their path for a while with a pencil. Now, what you have to do, that moving ant, those who are that ant were passing, you have to block them. उनका रास्ता रोकना है with a pencil or something. And then you have to observe how do the ants move. और फिर देखना है कि ants कैसे move होते हैं. So you have to try at home and do this activity and find out what is the answer for it. So here we are going to find out the answer over here. As we are also thinking that we have blocked the ants road and how it is passing, so same way many scientists, many years ago scientists has also experienced this thing and they have found out the answer. So let us say, many years ago, a scientist did many experiments like this. He found out that as the ants move, they leave a smell on the ground. The other ant follow the smell to find the way. So my dear students, see here, how do the ant recognize their friend? Is the simple answer over here. Scientists have found that with their experiment that ants, when they are moving, they leave some smell on the ground. They are leaving some smell. कुछ खुशबू छोड़ जाते हैं पीछे, एंड फ्रॉम दैट स्मेल ओनली देयर फ्रेंड एंड्स find their way and they come to know that they belong to this group. The other ant follow that smell and then they find their way. Now you understood when you have blocked the path of the ant, so why they were moving, still moving in a line. So this is the answer for it. Now you can guess why the ants behave like that when you block their path. When you are blocking their path also, they are moving in the straight line only. Why? Because the ant has left, their friend ant has left some smell on the ground, and with that smell they move in a straight line only. Further we'll move ahead. Some male insects can recognize their female by their smell. Some male insects are those insects who recognize their female, that where she is, and to recognize our female, they recognize it from their smell only, dear students. Have you ever been troubled by mosquito? Just think, how do they know where you are? Mosquitoes means machhar, and you know mosquitoes trouble us a lot. So how do they know that where you are sitting and they come to you and they start troubling you? So mosquitoes can find you by the smell of your body. Mosquitoes also has that sense power of smelling, that they smell your body and then they come to you. They also find you by the smell of the sole of your feet and the heat of your body. And अदर थिंग इज़ दे ऑल्सो फाइंड फ्रॉम योर फीट, आपके पैरों के सोल से भी वो आपकी खुशबू को पहचान के दे कम टू यू. एंड ऑल्सो विथ योर हीट ऑफ द बॉडी, हीट ऑफ योर बॉडी, आपके गर्मी से भी वो आपको पहचान के आपके पास आके आपको परेशान करते हैं. नाउ सी इन दिस स्मॉल बॉक्स, यू कैन सी दिस स्मॉल बॉक्स, इट इज़ अ सिल्क वॉर्म. I am a silkworm. I can find my female worm from many kilometers away by her smell. How does the silkworm recognize her female worm? By smelling her, by her smell from far away kilometers. बहुत थोड़े 2-3 किलोमीटर्स दूर से भी the male silkworm can find her female silkworm by her smell. Moving further is, have you ever seen a dog sniffing here and there? See, dog sniffing here and there means ऐसे वो स्नीफ करते हैं अपने नोज़ से, कुछ ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं, सूंघने की कोशिश करते हैं. स्नीफिंग मीन्स, सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक इट इज़ ट्राइंग टू स्मेल? व्हाट इज ट्राइंग टू स्मेल? So dogs mark out their own area on the road. What does the dog do? They mark their area on the road. जैसे we sometimes do ना कि this is my place only, I am only sitting over here. In such way dogs also mark out their own area. अपना खुद का एक इलाका एरिया बना देते हैं. They can make out if another dog has came into their area by the smell of its urine or potty. और उनको वो भी पता चल जाता है if another dog has entered into their area with the smell of their urine or potty, and from that smell they can identify that someone has entered into their area. On the basis of this explanation, there are some questions over here. This you have to write it in the worksheet when I will give you, but let us discuss the question. In what ways do human beings make use of this special sense of smells of dog? You know, students, human beings make the use of this special sense of dogs. Like police, in police station, you can find that they use the dogs. Why? To find out the secret things. Dog sniffs and they find out it. So there are many such ways human beings make use of this special smells of dogs. So what are those ways that you have to write? When do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? List some example, like to know by its smell that food has gone bad or that something is burning. You are also having a smelling sensation power. With that, you have to find out that whether something is cooking good in the kitchen or some smell that is burning or some different type of smell which you have the smelling power. You can find it from that. Name the animals that you would be able to recognize only by their smell without seeing them. You have to mention such names of animals that you can recognize them only by their smell. उनकी खुशबू से ही आप उनको पहचान जाते हो कि ये डॉग है या कैट है. ऐसे कौन से एनिमल्स है जिनको देखे बिना आपको पहचानना है सिर्फ फ्रॉम देयर स्मेल एंड राइट देयर नेम्स. Next is write the names of 5 things whose smell you like and 5 things whose smell you do not like. Here you have to mention the 5 things that smell you like and 5 things of that you do not like. Moving ahead is discuss. Do the clothes of any of your family members smell? Whose? In our family members also we come to know if someone's clothes are smelling of sweat or like that, we come to know that it is of this particular person only. So who are those person in your family? Did you ever come across any smell in a crowded place such as fair, bus, train, etc.? Fair means mela. So when you are traveling or when you are going to some places like this or when you are in the bus or train or in some crowded places, you find some smell of sweat. Sweat मतलब पसीने की बदबू. जब बहुत ज़्यादा लोग होते हैं तो ऐसी अजीब स्मेल आती है. So have you came across to such smell? So which smell you have came across, that you have to write. Moving further is why so? Today Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6 months-old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. There was a lady called Rajni who had to go out for some work. So what did? She left her 6 months-old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. Sushila also has a baby of the same age. Sushila is also having a baby of Deepak's age only. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with dupatta or scarf. So what happened? Both the children did the potty at the same time. So Sushila cleaned her daughter's potty happily, and when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, at that time she covered her nose. So what do you think? Why did she did this? Why did she covered her nose when she was cleaning Deepak's nappy? This is your first question. Just think and you have to mention the answer. How do you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Think of the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage. When you are walking near a heap of garbage means what, dear students? कचरा पेटी. कचरा पेटी के पास से जब आप चलते हो तब you find stinking smell. It smells very bad. So think of those children who spend their whole day picking that कचरा from the कचरा पेटी. So उनको smell नहीं आती होगी. Why they are not having such type of smell, or if they are having, then why do they are doing that things? So see further. Is the smell good or bad for everyone in the same way, or does it depend on how each one feels about it? Is the smell good or bad for everyone, dear children, in the same way? Do you think so कि सबके लिए स्मेल अच्छा ही है और सबके लिए स्मेल बुरा ही है? नो, सब किसी किसी को स्मेल काफ़ी चीज़ें ऐसी है जो जिनकी स्मेल पसंद होती है, किसी किसी को नहीं पसंद होती है। तो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ ईच वन फील्स। हम कैसे उसको फील करते, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन अस ईच वन के how we have to take it, if whether we have to take it in the good sense or whether we have to take it in the bad sense. So see, in the same way here, Sushila, why she covered her nose when she was cleaning Deepak's nappy? Because she don't want to take that smell. And when she was cleaning her daughter's nappy, she liked it because it was her own daughter. In the same way, when the children are picking up the garbage from the heap of garbage, it is their work, dear students. They earn from it. If they find something, they earn for their stomach, so they don't feel that bad smell. They think it is good for them because from that they are going to get something. So it depends on the situation when each one has to feel the smell that is good or bad. एक को कैसे महसूस करना है वो अपने ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि उसे वो स्मेल अच्छी लगानी है या बुरी लगानी है. So with this we have completed our first topic of smelling sensation, smelling sense. So I hope, dear students, you have understood this topic and got all the points.